Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking actionable samples now. Choose clean, representative areas and remove coatings. Once done, wipe with acetone, then collect 10 to 20 grams per sample into labeled containers so results remain traceable. Make sure to wear gloves and goggles to prevent contamination and protect yourself. You should note sample locations and any visible defects. This first step avoids repeat sampling and lets downstream tests reflect true material quality rather than surface dirt or paint. You now move into detailed testing. Run XRF to identify alloy composition and record elemental percentages because composition dictates performance. Next, perform a hardness test, Brinell or Vickers, to compare measured values versus spec. Hardness links to strength and heat treatment. Then prepare a metallographic mount, polish, etch, and inspect with optical microscopy to reveal grain size, porosity, and inclusions. Together, these tests explain why the material behaves a certain way and confirm if it meets specifications. You finish by comparing all measurements against the specification sheet. Composition, hardness, and microstructure must align. If values fall outside limits, reject the batch or flag for rework. Once done, if results are borderline or inconsistent, run an ICP or wet chemical analysis for higher accuracy and resample a fresh piece from another location. Contamination or surface treatment often skews data. One troubleshooting tip: if readings vary widely, suspect contamination, clean, resample, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.